Hey, what is up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to replace the torque mount on a VQ35 motor. This is on the 7th gen. Any other vehicles with the same exact process will be in the description below. So let's get on to it. All you're going to need is a pry tool, kind of a thick flathead. I'll explain why later. You are going to need a 18 mil, and you are also going to need a 13 mil. That's all the tools you need. So if you follow the channel, I never replaced a grommet on this. Well, I never put a new grommet in it because I would be replacing the frame. So anyway, you will use your pry tool, get the grommet out, slide this back and pull it to the side. And then we are going to remove 1, 2 13 mil bolts. That's it. We ain't gonna remove this whole entire piece, which is overkill. When you could just take these 2 bolts out, lift this up a little bit, because you only need about 1/2 inch, and then you're able to get this bolt out. So I'll show you that in a sec. All right. 1, 2. So this is done. Now we're going to move the power steering fluid reservoir. So if you don't remember how to do it, all you do is get like a little flathead and pull that little lever back, and then you want to pull up at the same time. So I'm gonna set you down on the side and show you, demonstrate that. All right. And then we're gonna switch over to our 18 mil. I got a little swivel. Pull this to the side. That's removed. Make sure you don't lose that washer. And then this is where the flathead comes into play. So to do that, you want to stick this underneath here and have the flathead, the tip, go into the bow hole. So you lift that up. Let me switch hands. Yep. Alright, so I just broke that loose. So now we're gonna loosen it. Make sure you keep this pried up. Alright, so now I'm gonna use an 18 mil box end wrench because I ain't gonna have enough clearance, and I don't want to bend this back too far. That's it. Oh no, still got some more. And I'm replacing this. There's nothing wrong with it. I just noticed it's an aftermarket with this little sticker right here, made in Thailand. So I know this is not an OEM one, so I'm replacing it with a OEM torque mount. All right. That's the only reason I'm replacing it. Because usually aftermarkets, this is probably a cheap con, and they ain't gonna last that long. Let me loosen it some more. Alright, as you can see, you're hitting that to resolve that. That's where this flathead comes in. Just keep lifting it up till you got enough clearance. And voila. And then slide it out. and then this is an OEM one. So as you see, OEM ones like Nissan has VQ on it. This aftermarket, there's none of that. As you see, the rubber in there is still pretty good. Well, I see a hairline crack right there and right there. So it was, oh yeah, this side is bad. This is the side that was facing the motor. So you see that's ripped. All right, so good thing I was going to replace it anyway. So on the OEM one, the VQ faces upwards. So now I'll put this in, just slide it back into place. And then I'm replacing this bolt with a brand new one. So we ain't reusing that, we're using the new one. So line it up, get that bolt started, and then just lift it up so the bolt can slide in. So, and then just put that back down. So now we're gonna put the little 13 mils back in. Where's the whole, all right, so I'm gonna switch back to my 13 mil. We're gonna tighten these. I don't like how that bolt looks and sounds. That's gonna get replaced anyway. I got the new one of this, but that's gonna be in a separate video. So now we're gonna start hand tightening this. All right, and then we're gonna put this bolt back in. That's the one with the washer. Line that up. Let's loosen this a little. And we're going to hand tighten this. Alright, so now I'm going to switch back to the little 18 mil. Hold this back. Alright, that's tight. Now we're gonna tighten this. Yeah, that's really tight. Well, the sides mounted, so we could slide this back on. You hear it click into place. So everything around this is done. Alright, so that's tight. And that's how you replace the torque mount on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima. All other vehicles will be listed in the description below as far as all the part numbers for the torque mount and the upper bolt. I ordered this. That's going to be coming in a couple days from Nissan. So that will be getting replaced with a brand new one too. But like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.